Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your LinkedIn app. To know how to fix or how to solve your LinkedIn app, you should just go to your settings. After that, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will enter to the window of LinkedIn. When you find this page, you will enter to Forcestop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. After that, we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end, you can go to Play Store. You will search about LinkedIn, and if you will find here in this blue sign update, you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.